Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your items from your inventory doesn't appear when you're crafting. So for instance, what is this? I don't have moonstones. Let me see what I have. Don't have that. Okay, an opal. Let me see. I feel like I have that. Okay, so as you can see, I have 0 opals here. In the crafting section for the Voyager rod. I have 0. But if you favorite that from your inventory, so just press the right click on your mouse. Did I even do that? Hold on. Okay. And you open this up. As you can see, you have 1 out of 3. So make sure if you want to craft it, you don't favorite your items or else it won't show up. And that is it. You can craft stuff like the Eternal King Rod, which I have. This is the only rod that I have. Oh, also Rod of the Forgotten Fang. These 2 I crafted. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.